told y'all again, it's Truck Boy Bud Maverick. Make a little snap machine or a drink machine. Hold on. But I want y'all to see how my roommate back there snoring like crazy. Hold on. Hope he don't catch me. I forgot the name of the room. I think it's Red Roof Inn or something like that. Name of this hotel. I forgot the name of it. I hope he don't catch me. Because I'm sure posting. Oh, hear that?